Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Pro Wrestling Crate. Yay! Okay.
I'm super hungry, so if I look like I'm gonna pass out, that's why. But how are you guys doing? It's really late at night when we film.
So I want to show it to you like this, but that's
Bump
like
me in the head.
that card is like upside down. Upside down. That's what it looks like when you open it. But the card I would think would be this way instead of upside down. But anyway, it says on the back what will be in here, but I always like to go through whatever is going to be in here.
I thought I was supposed to quiz you.
Oh, was that what we agreed on? I don't remember. Okay. So we're this in the worst town. Oh, we're this in the worst town. Oh my gosh, I want to keep hide it. You worst town you've ever been in. Aw, this is SoCal Uncensored. Otherwise known as SCU. Okay, I like that. Yay. Okay, is this like a sticker? All about me. Maybe I should have my glasses on. I can't even see. What does that say? I don't know.
That's what I mean. I should be reading along.
Well, okay, here. You take that.
Reading along.
So anyway, enough of me looking at it. I should show it. I think this is just a
Oh,
sticker.
it's to Neil Dashwood.
Is it just a sticker? Or a decal or what? What is it?
Which is, it was a sticker, yeah.
Oh,
All about me sticker.
Okay. And then, I was looking at him, Janelle Dashwood. Anyway, the bad boy, Joey Janela? He doesn't ring a bell to me. I don't know why. He probably should, but there's that. This is on his shirt who he is.
Oh, the Indies though. Must be the Indies
5? Yeah.
Yeah, so are these independent wrestlers? This month's charity, Ann and Robert Lurie Children's Hospital, Chicago. Cool.
So they give Pro Wrestling Tees beanie.
Ooh. Next month the theme is love. That's cool.
And then Switchblade J White pen. Really small. Hopefully you can see it. And then, does this say Ray Remix? What does that say? Ray
Brawler?
Oh, Ray, it's Mysterio, right? Ray Phoenix?
Oh, yeah. Micro Brawler, these are so cute.
Yeah, I know. I can't remember. I think we keep them closed. Ray Phoenix. Okay.
There's that. Wish I had like a thing to check off what we looked at.
Best friends with Checkin' Trend, Poppin' Dogs, and Talkin' Hogs with Eddie Hurt. Nice little video, I'm guessing.
Do you even watch the videos or have
Yes.
you yet? I was just wondering.
And then the last thing, I believe, which is usually like, I just like put that on the ground.
It does give her 10% off her next order, so that's cool.
I can't even open this up. Huh.
Wonder who it is.
Should I already know? I don't know.
No, I don't know if you know
Looks
because
like her? No.
Tessa Blanchard.
Oh,
I'm like saying it's Blanchard. Blanchard.
Well, there's that.
I don't know who she is either, but I don't watch wrestling as much as you guys, so.
Well, sometimes like I'll see them and I just don't like watch the particular person enough to know, but
But you love the shirt though.
yeah.
The other stuff's not bad either. Although the sticker, I'm like, stickers.
I know. I don't know. What
I
to
feel like
do with
unless you're
stickers.
5 or something, I don't know what you would do with stickers. Or if you give us a bumper sticker, that's one thing. But that was it for this video. And how much is this box? I hate asking, but is it 30?
I'm like, I can't even look it up. I think it's 36.
36-ish.
$36.99 or 36 something like that. Yeah.
But if we were quick and free, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another giveaway at 200 subscribers, and we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.